Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Solana on MetaMask. It's important to understand that MetaMask is primarily designed for Ethereum virtual machine compatible networks. Solana, however, operates on its own distinct blockchain architecture. This fundamental difference means you cannot directly send native Solana tokens to your MetaMask wallet. We'll explore the necessary steps and alternative solutions to manage your Solana assets. Since direct transfer isn't an option, one common method is to use a cross-chain bridge. These services allow you to convert your native Solana into a wrapped version, like Wrapped Solana or WSOL, which is compatible with EVM networks. Once wrapped, you can then send this WSOL to your MetaMask wallet. Popular bridges include Wormhole and Allbridge, which securely facilitate these asset transfers. While bridging allows you to hold wrapped Solana in MetaMask, for a truly native Solana experience, consider using a dedicated Solana wallet. Wallets such as Phantom or Solflare are specifically designed for the Solana blockchain. They offer full support for Solana tokens, NFT, and decentralized applications, providing a much more integrated and seamless way to manage your Solana assets directly. To summarize, you have two main paths. Either bridge your Solana to an EVM-compatible wrapped token for MetaMask, or use a dedicated Solana wallet for native asset management. Always prioritize security by researching any bridge you use and understanding its transaction fees. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Choosing the right method depends on your specific needs and how you plan to interact with the Solana ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.